Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up quick switch on DJI Osmo 360. To set it up, you'll need to slide down from the top of the screen to find QS, which is quick switch. You can enable voice prompt, which will say out loud what you are setting it to. Then you can enable or disable different modes, like for example you can enable your custom modes if you have them set. Then you can enable, for example, panoramic photo, or disable it, panoramic video, single lens photo, or single lens video. They can also be set to front or rear lens. There are also different modes like selfie mode, vortex, whatever, or single lens boost video, whatever you wish. And then click on the button. You see it switches. If you click on it again, then you're switching to a different option, and that's how you switch it to different modes. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.